I'm gonna just talk to y'all about financial literacy. I'm 25 years old. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I play baseball, I'm a mechanical engineer, and I invest in real estate. So I just want to talk to y'all about how important it is just to get your finances in order, because the number one leading cause of pretty much families being separated is because of finances. So if you can get your money straight at this age, start saving up. I know a kid that's 14 years old that just bought a house. At 14 years old, saved up $20,000, cutting grass, and bought a house with his dad. So y'all can do the same thing, you feel me? I don't even pay bills anymore. Other people pay my bills.
You don't hear what he just said? You don't pay bills no more.
I don't pay bills anymore. Other people pay my bills. And the way that you do that is through real estate. So basically what I do is I find a house that's undervalued, I buy it, I fix it, and I find somebody to live in. So basically what they do is every month they pay me rent to stay in the house that I bought and fixed up. And I get to keep the remainder after I pay off the note for the house. So once you buy a house, you have to pay off a thing called a mortgage. So it's pretty much a thing that you owe a little money on the house, so you pay every month to pay down the debt on the house, basically. But the person who lives in it pays it down for you. But you charge a little bit extra, that way you get to keep a little bit of the money in your pocket. So I have 4 of those. And I get to keep the extra, and the extra amount that I charge pays for all of my bills. It pays for my car, for my rent at my house, and it pays for my electricity, food, clothes, everything. So you can become financially free at the age of 25 just through using real estate. But the way that you do that is by first securing yourself in a pretty much an occupational way of making consistent income. That way the banks trust you. You have to build trust with people. That's the number one way to become financially free, is to build trust. So the way you do that is to get a good profession in engineering, becoming an athlete. Like a lot of y'all say, y'all want to make a lot of money being an athlete. Y'all get that $1 million signing bonus. Y'all can buy 5 houses. Y'all ain't even got to play no more if y'all really don't want to. Y'all ain't got to get hit in the head all day. You can go live on the beach somewhere, having fun. So you just got to find a way to use your money, have your money make babies. You want your money to make money babies. That's what I call it. Because I use a large sum of money, put it into something that trickles down little babies of money that I consistently get every month to pay down the bills. You feel me? So that's the real estate. And as far as like your occupation, you want to be in something that's like a necessity, right? So STEM, that's science, technology, engineering, math. You want to be somewhere in those areas if you want to make a good large sum of money. Of course, there's other small professions that you can do, other one-off things that you can do to make a lot of money if you work hard. But those are the ones, like as soon as you graduate, Keldrick, I think he making 6 figures, we making 6 figures right out the gate. You feel me? Like as soon as you're done school, only 4 years of school. You're already going to school anyway. Why not do something to where you can make 6 figures right out the bat? You can invest that money and get it right back. So, yeah, so you want to pay attention to school, focus on science, technology, and math. I heard some people say they want to be computer engineers, YouTubers. That's good too, because the way that the world is heading, attention is what makes money too. Like if you're a good YouTuber, you're good at the video game, you can make a living off that. I don't know if y'all heard of T Grizzly. I heard of T Grizzly?
Yeah.
He got a Twitch account.
I know about it.
What you do?
So he made, he and so he had bought all his homeboys that was on the streets, and he bought them a game, bought GTA, and he bought them a camera, so he started streaming and get some money instead of being on the streets.
Exactly. You can make money off of your passion, just being interested, being engaged, being involved in the world. You don't necessarily have to be the smartest person in the room. You don't got to be the most gifted person. You just got to care, bro. You just got to have some type of intention on the life that you want to live, bro. Like, when I was a kid, I was not thinking like this. Trust me. Like, I just started thinking like this probably like my junior year of college, when I realized that baseball probably wasn't going to work out. And when I graduated, I was depressed. I didn't know what to do. I was lost. I didn't know what to do. I just called them people. I started listening to podcasts. That's like these things where people talk about what they do to be successful. And I heard something about real estate. So I just went all in. I immersed myself in it, and I engaged myself in the world. You can't feel sorry for yourself when you feel like you lost out. You feel me? So in a matter of a year, we bought 4 properties. Right now we're working on building a new construction. We building a house from the ground up, me and my dad, and about to sell it next month. You feel me? Like, but all you gotta do is like care. Just find something that you're passionate about, something you care about. You feel me? And just give your all to the world. So that's really all I got.
Y'all got a clap for that.
Top corner of the poster board, 1 through 5. Yeah, they poster board. And then look up when y'all done.